Good morning. Happy April 27th. I noticed a lot of you guys turned in the quiz a couple of times. That's okay. I'm going to go through it and grade it. I'm going to hand grade it. So I don't want you guys to worry about what you got on it. Most people really kind of understood everything, and there are a few mistakes here and there, but it's okay. I'm going to post the answers too, so you could take a look and see where you are, but I'm just waiting for everybody to take the quiz. But this week, we're still in our percent package, and now we're in student handout 6, and we are going to find the whole today. Now remember our little handy dandy equation, the percent over 100 and part over whole. So today what's going to miss is we're going to have to find the whole. We know how to find the percent, we know how to find the part, and we're going to have to find the whole. Now, it's not that much different from anything else. We've done this before, so I'm not worried about having you guys do this again, because we know how to do it. Okay, let's start. At Paulson Middle School, 75% of the class is making a B or higher. If there were 21 students in making a B or higher, how many students are in the class? Well, of course, I always start with this, and I know that's 75 over 100 here. Now remember, today we're finding the whole, so that's the question, or the total, and we know there's 21 students making a B. So guess what we're going to do? Boom! What works here? What will get us from 75 to 21? Remember what I said here, the second number is always what we divide by, 21 divided by 75. And that is what we always take the second number and we use it as our number that we divide. We're dividing 21 into 75 parts. And that gets us 0.28. And what we do on the bottom, what we do on the top, we do on the bottom. So 100 times 0.28 is 28. So you could also draw this wonderful little diagram, 0, and the whole is 28. And then we have about 21 students make about a B or higher. So all these students get a B or higher. That's how that would look like, okay? Now, that wasn't so hard, was it? Okay, that's okay. I am going to be kind today, and you don't have to do 1, you don't have to do 2. I'm going to move on over. You don't have to do this tic-tac-toe, but I want you to do these boxes. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna help you guys out. Okay, I'm going to help you guys out, and I'm going to do some of these for you so you could get a nice handle on it. If you feel like you understand it, please go right ahead and get started, and you don't have to listen to the rest of this video and listen to my jokes, and you could just go ahead and finish your assignment. But if you want, you could stay right here, and we could make, I could show you some more examples, right? Okay, so let's start with this one, right? 75% of apple pies were sold on Tuesday, and if the remainder were thrown out, if 12 pies were sold on Tuesday, then how many pies? Who would throw pies out? That's just terrible. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna set this terrible problem up. Someone would throw pies out. That's crazy. Okay. So we know 75% right away. We know that that equals that of the apple pies were sold, and the remainder of the pies were thrown out. If 12 apple pies were sold on Tuesday, how many were thrown out? So notice here that he's not asking how many total pies, but we have to know how many total pies there are, because we don't know how many he threw out. So that's why that's still a question mark. And he threw out, he sold 12. So here we go again. We're going to do this wonderful thing, and we know that means 12 divided by 75, because this number is always the first number. So we have 12 pieces, and we divide that by 75, and we get 0.16. What we do on the top, we do on the bottom. So 16 times 100 is I'm sorry, 0.16 times 100 is 16. So we have 16 pies, but we sold 12, so we're going to subtract that. And this goofy person, 16 minus 12, he threw out 4 pies. I can't believe he did that. That's crazy. Okay, so that one wasn't so bad, right? Okay, let's keep going. Here we go now. We have, out of 350 students, 315 went on a class trip. What percent? Oh, he's asking percent. He's not asking whole here. He's trying to trick you. So here we go. We have 315 on top because that's our part. Total is 350. He's asking what percent, and we know how to set that up. Of course, we're going to do 100 divided by 350 because we always know that that question mark is where we put our divide. So 100 divided by 350 is 0.29. I'm going to round. So 0.29 goes on top. And 315 times 0.29 gives me 91. And I'm going to round. And so remember, 91% is what I write there. Okay? That one wasn't so bad either. Let's clear those drawings, or put me on pause and write this. Okay. Okay, let's keep going since I'm doing your homework today. Jack is learning to save, spend, and give his money away. He has determined he's going to give away 10% of his summer job earnings. If he gives away $256, how much did he earn this summer? Well, now we're looking for total here, right? So we have 10 over 100, and he gave away 256. So remember what we do. We take the second one. 256, we divide it by 10, so we can see what we can multiply to get that. And I hope you don't need a calculator for that, but you know, I know some of you guys like to use calculators anyway, but that's 25.6. Oops, sorry, 0.6. So what I do on the bottom, what I do on top, I do on the bottom. 25.6 times 100 equals 2,560. So the answer there is 2,560. Okay, that's your work for today. Not too shabby, right? All right, good luck, guys. Remember, you're doing the handout, which I just did 3 problems for you, and the homework. Okay, come to Zoom chat on Tuesday. Bye, guys. Have a great day.